Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to send notification to all users with DirectAdmin. Log in to DirectAdmin with your reseller account. Go to Reseller Tools section and click on Message All Users. A panel will appear where you can set the message urgency and space for the message content. Select the priority of the notification from the drop-down list. Enter the subject and the message you want to send your users and click on Send. Note that you can choose to send the notification to only the users' emails and not to their DirectAdmin accounts. For that, tick the email only in the To field. The DirectAdmin will send your message notifying all your users at once. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.